G-O!
Hey, how's it going, guys? Regan Wilks, Autism Productions here. That's right, and I'm here with my friend Nick and Jason.
Yo. Hello, world.
Yep. So, yeah, today we're gonna react to Murder Drones, a pilot episode by GLITCH Productions, who creates SMG4, partnerships with Crunchyroll, the Meta Runners and other series, right?
Yes.
Yep. And on the 13th is my 18th birthday. If you all say happy birthday to me, we would like to thank you.
Happy birthday. East.
Yep. Also, yeah. Original link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to GLITCH Productions and SMG4, and let's get right to it.
With the pilot.
The pilot episodes are sometimes like a classic, sometimes like a short.
It's happening.
And the others are a...
And what a great start, just the boys going for a sitcom. Ooh, this looks nice. Booting up expectations.
We are worker drones. Autonomous robots helping humans mine exoplanets for our interstellar parent company, JC Jensen, in
Space.
Yeah, we were mistreated in the name of Windex, but it's not like we revolted and killed all humans or anything. Mostly because they handled that just fine all by themselves.
But they were like, screw that. We'll just die.
Oh.
It's fine.
True.
Yeah, that's totally normal. How on earth does this drone survive?
They're drones.
With biological life wiped from the planet, we found it pretty easy to pick up where they left off. We finally had a future. All to ourselves.
The most confusing part of this.
How is that possible?
Unfortunately, our parent company didn't exactly love the concept of runaway AI.
Oh.
So they called in the murder drone.
Oh. Ooh. This is what it's called. Oh.
Yeah, they're definitely murder drones.
Dang, look at that.
Oh, there goes the child.
Oh no.
Murder drones.
Or I could say in Japanese, Murder Drones.
But what have our parents done for the past forever while those things build a spire of corpses? Hide under the ice behind 3 stupid doors? It's like we're waiting for an inciting incident. Anyway, that's why my project is this sick as hell railgun.
When the Quiet Kids presents the presentation,
Easy morons.
it actually brings their gun this time.
Yet.
Oh.
It doesn't work yet. Who said it doesn't work? Maybe it does.
Yeah, but it looks like it works.
True.
Uzi, the homework was a word problem about buying watermelons?
Who cares about
The
watermelon?
amplified photon converter, does it count?
No.
No.
Plus, repressed emotional baggage was only worth 2 points on the rubric.
True.
And is it supposed to be that color?
It's normal. Boom! Just a big boom!
I want to know what year are they from?
Wonder.
The future.
I mean, in the future, what year?
It didn't kill her.
The future.
Frick you!
I meant the year in the future.
I don't know.
I meant
Classic
maybe like
toxic
20.
masculinity, Chad. That's never gonna end up problematic.
Hello.
Oh wow,
60.
Uzi, I heard you.
I'm an angsty teen fad, bite me. Also, how do you know my name? People willingly talk to you.
Well, I'd say everyone knows Khan's daughter, but
Khan needs
then
you.
you might blow
Drone of
the
the year
face
time.
off.
Khan doorman. Or dealing
Daddy
with you.
issues, hilarious. What are you?
I still want to kill him either
Testosterone
way.
too hard?
And merchandise from SMG4.
Awesome. Hey, those bandages look pretty badass.
Oh,
Where on earth did she
Ew.
get that bandage from?
gross. I hate that you
I mean,
said
the
that.
gun thing.
So, what's the
Probably.
Sick as hell railgun? Sci-fi nonsense. That's super overworks.
Your hands.
I'm
You're a
sleep
robot,
reflecting
on
idiot.
why you
tonight
deserve
at the
this.
last
Right.
part. I need to
Stop,
see the
drop,
world within and earn my
reflect
dad's
on
respect
why
and stuff.
you deserve
Three
it.
steps of putting out your own fire. Step 1,
Oh,
stop. Step
but
2, drop.
doesn't
Step
your
3,
dad make awesome doors so we don't
figure out why you deserve it.
do
Facts.
that scary sounding emotional
Don't actually,
stuff
don't
you just
actually
said.
think
No
about
more
that.
feedback on my
This is
reflection
a joke.
today.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't think.
Bite me.
Bite me?
Oh.
I'm not mad at you, by the way. Just generally hormonal.
Hormonal? Bye. Saturn.
3 a.m.
Smack! We're going on a murder drone hunt.
Adventures.
To space! Hi!
Oh.
And where might you be off to?
Sneaking out to make out with my boyfriend that I definitely have.
Every excuse for the teenager.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Awkward moment.
Oh,
mean,
okay,
I'm still a
okay,
teenager.
you caught me. I need
As of now.
to measure
Yeah, but
the
18-year-olds
exterior
can be
hydraulic
teenagers
mechanisms
too.
of door 1.
But
Because
early on.
Pre-adults?
Early.
The project
No,
I'm
pre-adults.
working on for
It's like
school.
pre-teens, but
A
pre-adults.
big old door.
But I said early.
Just like what my old man built.
Uh-huh.
I want to join the WDF and hide behind doors like cowards while playing cards and stuff.
Well, we don't just play cards.
Con, can you grab a fresh pack? We literally only play cards so much that the numbers are
Me and the
big.
boys.
Oh, hey,
Us and the
Z.
boys playing cards.
Well, when you build doors so good, good door, there's no
That'd be
need
weird,
to
how about
fight.
that?
Uzi,
Nah.
this is great news.
Let's just
Here,
leave it.
the wrench I used to tighten bolts on my first door prototypes and to put your mother out of her misery when the murder Jones got to her with their nanite acid. I want you to have it.
Oh.
Nice.
I'm not gonna lie.
That'd be
This
fun.
I'm not gonna lie. This animation looks so cool.
My
Like
daughter
it looked like
is
one of the Sony's
indoors.
animations of the PlayStation animation, right?
Come on,
Yeah.
Rush.
She's gonna be
I
outside
definitely would love to
for
see
a bit
more
to
of
examine
this.
the exterior of door 1. Your door-specific destiny awaits.
Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna leave then, because this worked so weirdly well. Go doors!
Bye.
They grow up so fast.
They die pretty quick, too.
Yeah.
Just the cowards like they are.
Mm-hmm.
So should we take this as the plot of Fallout?
Are we even on Earth?
Well, no. That's clear. There's
Well,
no Saturns around Earth
I can see dead bodies,
in view.
but humans have dead bodies. I think it is Earth.
No, they just run a spaceship. On drones.
Oh. I mean, on here it is Earth.
And literally the Saturn is so close.
Yeah. I think it's
It's a habitable planet. Ish. Not really now.
okay.
I don't even know how on Earth were they even breathing through that.
Like,
How
how?
humans even breathe through that? Is there like an atmosphere that is breathable oxygen? What's that?
Huh.
A core.
Ammo for the gun.
Ooh. What the? Murder drone.
Drinking
Oh.
oil. It's easier. Nice reload.
There we go. Oh, that move.
said pirating all that anime was useless.
I mean,
half and half. It's
yeah.
gotta be fine.
Yeah. Like, there's nothing wrong with anime.
And when I did this, that was a 10.
Oh.
For the land.
That's a very... Recharging.
In like 30 minutes.
Oh! He dead.
Holy hell! Suck on that, Dad!
Wait, what?
Just
What
like
the-
Terminator 2.
Error. You gotta be kidding me. Slap. Oh.
Did you just slap me with that arm?
Yes, she did. The ab's coming.
Yeah, sorry, it's just my,
What kind of stinger is that?
Hey, are you new to our squad?
I don't
Let's
know.
see.
You're a little,
Oh, unknown.
short for a disassembly drone.
Why does that look like? Sounds like a Star Wars reference. Like you were
I'm
too
Shooter
short of a
Designation
stormtrooper.
N. Nice to meet you. I'm kind of the leader of the squad in this city. That's not true. Everyone tells me I'm useless and terrible.
Wow.
I'm not supposed to tell you that part. Biscuits.
Biscuits.
Well, honesty is the best policy. I also can't seem to remember the past 3 hours of my life. But I'm sure that'll sort
3
itself
hours?
out.
Huh.
Yeah, it's probably 3 hours of hunting.
True.
Uh-huh.
True.
I have to go.
Stuck yourself? Just pop it in your mouth. Our saliva neutralizes the nanites. Otherwise, I'd be constantly disassembling myself.
And by our saliva, you mean disassembly drone? Right. Hey, let's go in that landing pod over there.
Okay.
Sure, I love doing anything.
Blech.
Oh.
Got tons
Sweet,
too.
I'm open to new things, I guess.
We
That
will
plot
never
relevant for
talk
later.
about this.
Talking about what? Consider it, repressed.
You mentioned other members of your squad. Are they coming back soon?
Oh, yeah, 2 others. They're out hunting for a bit, but you'll love them. First, there's V.
Psychotic.
Mean Years of War. Oh, another days. This is another day in video games.
I still feel nothing.
Huh.
I'm scared.
So,
What if...
I'm not.
What if Murder
I
Drone
heard this
has a
thing at one
PlayStation
Toxic
game?
Death Storm is supposed to be especially inhospitable
You think?
tonight.
Oh God, who are you?
Wow.
I mean, if you play Murder Drone, if it could be a
No
PlayStation
worries,
game
I'm
after
in,
you watch
but,
this.
The whole letter is a lot
It
to
could be, but
remember.
it's
I mean,
not.
what if?
So
What if,
obviously
yeah.
a lot of mutual respect there, but secretly, I actually kind of have a crush on her. You can't tell her, okay?
Can you calm down?
Then there's Jay, our leader.
And you're worthless and terrible. And if the company allowed it, I would straight up kill you myself.
Jay's awesome. Hey, let me give you the tour. Outside of the corpse
Tower.
thingies,
Yeah.
and here are the buttons.
This isn't just a landing pod. This is a spaceship. This could get us off the planet.
Right.
More of a one-use missile. They never taught us how to land.
No, the worker drones. We could work with them to fix this instead of all the murder. Which, why are we doing that again?
Other than ingesting their warm, sweet oil to avoid overheating and dying? I guess I just want to be useful. I was given a job, and I always want to try my best.
And look at all the respect it's gotten you, N. You really think the company isn't going to dispose of you once all the workers are dead?
Oh my, you sure are rebellious. It's kind of exciting. But not as fun as following the rules.
Rules are meant to be broken.
Hey,
Oh,
they're back.
true.
Yo.
And they're gone. There
Idiot,
she goes.
get out here.
Yo, we got a worker out there I kind of want to practice balloon animal shapes with. What happened here? Synergistic liability here must have tripped and knocked himself offline.
Punch.
Moron bot! Hello?
You really think the company isn't going to dispose of you once all the workers are dead? Wait.
You're dead, idiot.
Oh.
And there she goes.
Oh!
Contractive
You know,
footsteps.
I left an extremely dangerous weapon, excuse outside.
Excuse. Literally
Same.
so insanely suspicious.
Same.
Yeah. Same. Yeah. Same. Totally true. Time to go back to murder.
I am out, boys.
Oh, gosh darn it. You're
You
so
guys
Wait
are
until my
best
loving
friends.
wife and kids hear about this.
Close it! Close it!
It didn't close. Oh. Oh no. Hear the murder drone. Did you know it is?
Ooh, keep me in. I love Rummy. Wait, no. I'm going to murder everyone. Brain check.
Oh, that's not good at all. Oh. That melted. Well, say goodbye to them. To everyone.
Actually, it's gin, Rummy. So,
You don't deserve it there. For being an idiot. True. You deserve that. After we die.
Idiot trip.
Overkill.
Hey, Uzi, I just realized no one has said my name aloud so far, so I'm just letting you know I'm...
Triple kill.
Killing spree.
Oh.
And being the vampire.
Oh.
They're like thing is.
Jesus.
Slash also xenomorph me.
We got the tail of one.
Nah, more like
I mean,
crawling through the vents is just the only thing.
it's literally for city in space.
Pretty nice hydraulics, huh? What have you done?
Uh-oh.
This time I won't miss.
I'm sorry. I really enjoyed our time together. But I can't have you shooting V with that thing.
Fight me. Dad, get down.
Uzi, you let a murder drone here?
Shut up and get down. Get down, idiot.
Either get down or flee.
Or die.
Wait, I'm about to fix it. Move, Dad.
Oh.
Dad, point and shoot. Trust me.
Oh, that's creepy. Jesus. What the? What are you doing? Dude.
Choosing to be a coward. I'll say kill.
You absolute on.
Loves
Dude!
wolves and the
You just
actual
let your-
child.
This is how you're gonna treat you. Idiot! You've been betrayed. He's like, oh, well, this is not what I expected.
Whoa, Ben. Am I dreaming or did you do something not useless for once?
I've been trying to get past those doors for months. Nice work, Ken.
You, name, remember?
These ventilation shafts can easily get us around this last door. Lowest body count eats a missile.
Everything needs
Way to go,
missiles.
Stud. The company's gonna love this. With this colony wiped, we'll make top team this quarter for sure. You know what that means. Branded pens.
Cool. Branded pens.
That'll also be used for later.
J.C. Jameson's.
It's Johnson's.
Johnson's.
Jensen's, whatever.
It's Jensen.
You know, not that I can't wait to keep murdering all these, maybe maybe not so actually different from us
You
burger
can wait.
drones, but just out of curiosity, do we actually, know what the company
Another
plans
ad's
to
coming.
do with us afterwards?
Excuse me?
Uh-oh. Oh.
Okay, so a worker earlier might have suggested that they could fix up our landing pod to, escape the planet and stuff, which, whoa, hey, that's against the rules! But it is kind of making me question why our pods were only one way in the first place. Because, you know, I get the feeling the company doesn't actually love robots, and, like, we might be robots.
I thought you were drones.
I mean,
Robots, drones, potato.
what the half?
No way, buddy. Questioning the company? You just finally gave me the excuse I needed.
What's that?
Oh.
Give him a virus?
Worker drones are corrupted, and that's why the company sent us. I hate to see you corrupted as well.
Thanks, Jay. Always looking out for me.
Oh.
You're awesome.
Wow.
Biscuits. I'm sorry. I ruined your card game, then made you have an awkward moment with your dad.
And I made you rebel like an angsty teen, which
Like
got
most
me
people
killed.
are nowadays.
Though you also tried
Yeah.
to kill me, so morality calls this a draw.
How do you think you're gonna get up there?
What was that? Yeah.
For the record, that was the lamest heel-face turn in history. Was that supposed to be you switching sides?
Being rebellious is a lot harder than it looks. Thanks for showing me the ropes.
Nuh-uh.
Not
no
really,
bonding
actually.
thing. You just killed a bunch of people, idiot.
That's super fair. I screwed up.
Ugh.
Like they always say,
In the same
True.
way you're about to fix it?
they trust you, Rich.
I love doing anything.
Oh.
More body counts.
So, they found our evacuation spot. But if we build a quick door...
Which is not gonna happen.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? You're the WDF, right? Defend!
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
you
how
all can perish.
Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Put that conventionally attractive male down.
Hi.
Oh, Jay, you're sometimes kind of mean to me, and I wish you weren't. Just some
Jack?
constructive criticism.
Nice.
Good job.
Noted, traitor. We'll circle back after I right-size your existence.
Okay, which one do you want?
Jay, please.
Too bad. Good luck.
As said before, the pen is using this game now.
Oh. Oh.
No surrender.
No surrender, please.
Well, good luck.
Damn the well-made, quality-assured durability of JC Jensen products!
You talk too much.
Oh.
Oh. Whoa.
My mind's in a weird place. Don't read into this.
That's like how my mind's like.
I mean, true.
That's how it feels like my mind. Oh, that's terrifying.
Yeah, that's terrifying.
What are you doing
now?
Look. Wow.
Wow.
Flying battle.
Uzi! I'm so sorry. Have fun repressing this.
shit, really?
You've got a lot of guts for a barely sentient toaster.
Doesn't that also make you a fairly sensitive toaster?
But you're
Basketball off camera.
just
Nah.
so painful. Fourth quarter profits. Another company leadership retreat.
Little numbs.
One more buzzword and I'll do it.
Equity perfect.
You did it.
Now, how isn't that affecting on the other drone? And blew a hole, maybe.
Holy hell, Uzi, that was insane! And you too,
Huh? No, N. I'm an angsty, rebellious disassembly drone.
Wow.
The
Nice
pixel
shades.
glasses.
I brought the murder drones here accidentally. You chose to leave me for dead instead of just frickin' believing in me. And that's not even an edgy teen hyperbole like when I said it last week.
Dang. Betrayal.
Smack.
I'll save you the trouble, Dad. I'd vanish myself.
Wow. No words to say.
Let's go, Ann. Everyone here can bite me.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Uzi.
Shut it.
What are you gonna do with her then?
Keep her captive.
You're no more number one.
Nah, this is the worst, the worst father ever,
You're the-
and then he just doesn't care.
You're the number 0.
You're
He
the
just doesn't care.
Like the worst. Yeah.
I'd join you if the sun didn't kill me. Hope you're having important character growth or something, though.
Just can't wait to murder all humans.
This
Ooh.
would be my air thoughts, by the
I
way.
hope they're sitting
What?
pretty there on Earth, because we're coming for them.
Thinking about burning the earth-ish. Those were reasons, by the way. Those were my own personal reasons. I'm not getting into it.
True.
I can't wait to see when the next one comes out.
I mean, the first episode. Oh my god, this is awesome.
I know.
The pilot episode, yeah. I mean, what do you guys think? I mean,
Me and Nick seen it
I mean,
a few times.
yeah.
Well, I've seen it a few
I mean,
times.
the first time we did react it today, but
No, this is Regan's first time reacting.
I mean-
I've seen it a few
I mean-
times. Nick seen it a few times.
I mean, our first time reaction video to this. I mean, made
Well,
by
yeah.
made by Glitch Productions and SMG4. So yeah, if you guys know, hit the like, favorite, comments down below, subscribe, and tap the bell notification, and we will see you all later for more SMG4s and Glitch Productions reaction videos. Later.
Bye.
Bye.